thanks so much for stopping by. I am on a mission. On this video, I'm going to be showing or starting my Valentine card series, and I actually went through all of my stamps, all of my dies, and some paper that is sort of like not Valentine themed, but paper that can be used for Valentine cards. So I want to show you in this video all that I picked out, and I know I have more, but these were just the things that popped out as I was going through things. And then the next video will be of me making the cards. Now I'm doing this video because everybody has their ways of starting their projects. Mine is to actually pull out all the things that I think I might use on that layout or that card or whatever project it is that I'm doing, and then pull from those as I'm creating, just so that it's out there. Because if I've got it tucked away in a drawer or a basket or something like that, then I never use it. So here we go. I'm just going to explain to what I did here. I'm kind of babbling on. All right, so some of these stamps are really, really old. This was a stamp and a die set, and I saw this one here, Love, and it comes with the die, and so I'm going to make something with that. Of course, I got my Lawn Fawn hearts that are really adorable on that. I mean, to use for that. This is really pretty because it's a Sizzix die cut, and you can cut out the heart or you can cut out a solid. So I'll be using that. This is just basic Spellbinders Nestability heart-shaped dies. This one here is so pretty. I'm definitely going to use one of these in my projects. I pulled out this one. This is a stamp and a die set as well, and the word loved is on there, and I like love you, so I could not stamp the D and say love you on that one. These pretty flowers right here you could do Copic markers on, so that's kind of my idea. And of course I always pull out the tags. I do have a Cricut if you're new to my channel, but I'm going to go ahead and try to use some stamps and dies on these cards as well. Alright, so here's some things that I pulled out as far as just the dies. I thought it would be cute to do something with this one here. This is a Lawn Fawn stamp, and it says, I really like you. I think that's so cute. I used to have a hamster and a guinea pig. So, yeah, I got that one. This one I don't have the die cuts for, so I could either use my brother scan and cut, or I could just fussy cut it myself, which I don't mind. This one here is You're So Sweet, and it has the little faces that you stamp on the balls. I have made one like this before, and the person I gave it to really liked it. That's the die that goes with it. Here's just an Inka Dinkadoo. It's called an Inka Dinka Cling rubber stamp. So, and these are really cute as well. What I can do with these is I can use my ink pens, because I can't remember the name of them, and do different colors, not just stamp it all black or all red or something like that. So I saw that heart right there. I pulled that one out. Thought that would be fun. This is a really old Doodle Bug stamp set. This one here, I've made really cute cards out of this one. This is a Paper Smooches. It's called Love Struck. This one here, I liked this one here. I love you today, tomorrow, and forever. I probably will do that one for my mom. And this is in my mind's eye, and it's from, it's just called Unforgettable Today. This is another Paper Smooches. For some reason it's stuck up there, but I liked Love Ya, so I might end up using that one. This one here, Love You. This is an Echo Park stamp set. I could even do a Thinking About You, because I have relatives that live in other states. Loved this, Love You. This is a Doodle Bug as well. This one is really cute. You could do an ombre on this for a card. You Make My Heart Sing. That's really cute too. I think this is actually supposed to be for like wedding theme, but it doesn't matter. Oh, look how cute that is. Okay, never mind. It's not just wedding theme. All right. So this one here, I love jars. I think a lot of us crafters out there like the jars. I'm going to put stamp hearts in the jars instead of like little bees and stuff. I liked this heart balloon. I thought that would be really cute. It doesn't have anything on here as far as the sentiment goes for Valentine's Day. I loved this heart right here, so I pulled that one out. This is a Close to My Heart, Forever is Forever. It looks like it was a stamp of the month. I have quite a few Close to My Heart stamp sets like this. I do like their stamps. Loved this one, Hugs and Kisses. Love You is another one that's super cute. Let's see, which one is this one? Love One, I love this one. I loved this one. So Many Reasons to Be Happy. You and Me, that would be cute too. Okay, so let's set that one aside. And then this one here, I love this one. All You Need Is Love, All You Need Is You. Wait, let me try that again. All You Need Is Love, Love Is All You Need. I don't know where I came up with that thing. I just made up my own thing. So that was really cute. I liked that one. And then these, I think, are old Sizzix or Tim Holt stamps. I don't know why I cut these up, but they're in my stash. And this is another old one. I don't have the manufacturer name on this one, but these are really cute to use. This is a good stamp. Just all Valentine's themey. Okay, set that aside. Now, I went ahead and pulled out a couple of my embossing folders. This one here says With Love, so I'm going to try to integrate one of those. This one here is just, you probably can't see it at all. It's like a frame with little X's here and a heart. That would be cute. And then this one's just a heart shape that has lines through it. Now, as far as the paper goes, I decided to go ahead and pull out my 6x6 paper pads and try to use up some of this. By the way, if you've been following my D-Stash videos, my 6x6 paper pads are going to start being introduced into these because I have so many. All right, so this one is not, these are not really all Valentine themed, but I liked some of the papers in them. And I'm just going to thumb through. This one is Cartabella, and it says Home Sweet Home. So what I did was I just picked them up and I just started thumbing through and, you know, was attracted to certain designs and colors. This one's cute. See what I'm saying? Like these two together would be cute. Okay, so I'm just going to thumb through that. You see how my brain is working here. This is a 6x6 from Doodlebug. It's called Yankee Doodle paper. Now this is supposed to be for 4th of July, I believe, but I saw this and I'm like, ugh, love it. Gonna use that. I love plaids and polka dots. So there's, this one here is pretty as well. So thumbing through this real quick. This one here is a Doodlebug called Sugar Shop. And I saw some things here that I thought were really cute here. I love grays and pinks. So just thumbing through, there's another pink. Now with these, because they're 6x6, it will only make one card. If you're trying to make like multiple cards of a single design, the 6x6 you can't do unless they have two of the same sheet in there. All right, now this here, I don't know if you've ever been challenged with having scrapbook paper, I call it that isn't cardstock. When you're using cards, or even, well, on layouts it doesn't really matter, when you're using cards. So what I do is I get a 65-pound weight piece of cardstock, the same shape that I, oh, look at that, that I, you know, want on the card, and I just basically make it cardstock myself, is what I do. This is a really cute paper pack. Yeah, I'll be looking at this one a little bit closer. This one is really, really old, and it's called Paddywhack. Of course, I pulled out my snap. I saw a couple of things in here that I thought would be really cute. Some more of my snap. I don't even have to show you. I can just show you the front of it here. See, like all this right here is really cute. I also put some green in there. This was cute as well. Again, there's the plaid. And I loved this red and white. And I thought, what the heck, why not do a black and white one? And put some red hearts on it. So that's that. Oh, I just saw something I liked. Look at that. Very cool. Masculine Valentine's card from my hubby. All right, this one was really neat as well. You can see it kind of has loved. I have no idea what that's doing in there. Love theme to it. Oh, I saw that red and white chevron. This one is from Glitz. And I wonder if you guys can hear my son in the background of this video. He's playing video games with friends and he's really excited about it. Ooh, look at that. Okay, so yeah, that's gonna definitely be used. And then this is an old Recollections paper pack. And I got a lot of this left as well. I'm super excited about using these and getting my card started. And then the last one is this one here, this is a recollections as well. Oh, I saw something craft cardstock in there too. Very, very old, called Love. I am going to try to use some of my, I wish I could remember where I got this. It's a Sizzix Craft Core. Really works really well for the embossing folders. Turn it around wrong. The top came off. So I've seeing some dark reds in there. There's some greens, but yeah, I can use these for those embossing folders that I was talking about. Then I have this one here. This is the same exact thing. See, I have two of them. I'll have to put this in my D-stash. There's no reason to have two of them. Okay, and then, my goodness. Excuse me, there's some more reds and some greens and pinks. So that's really fun. And then this here is we are memory keepers. This is actually acetate. I have not used this yet, so I'm not even going to open it. So I've got some pinks and stripes, and it would be so pretty over something. Acetate is clear, so as you can see right through it. So that'll be fun on a card as well. I also picked out some washies. By the way, I was corrected by a friend that's a crafting person. Washi is actually a name brand. So if you're saying washi tape and it's not the washi name brand, then you know, you're not lying. But it's actually called craft tape. So this is craft tape from Recollections, and I've collected all these, some pinks, and I don't have a whole lot of reds. But that's what I have, so I'll see if I can integrate these in my cards as well. All right, so that is my beginning of how I organize my projects. All right, if anybody has any questions or comments or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section. I will get back to you, and I'm going to get started on these. Wait for the next video.